Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Not in today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's today Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2023. No, it's the edition of Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the Tectonic, the Tectonic with 1 star. Alright, Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number number 6158. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. If you can see the indication of this Tectonic, it's indicated with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. This one has 18. So I think it's a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we see here any dual boxes? I see here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. This box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. And other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Triple box. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me sketch. Here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So 1 digit left in the dual box for number 1. More of these kind of shapes. Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1, is connected with this box, should be also a 1. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so what? Oh, we already have a 1 here. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So the other 2 missing numbers in this area should be for the numbers 4. And the 5 for the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Yeah, I need to think. Well, this box can be 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 3. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We already have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 to 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, my pencil is empty. Alright. Well. 3, this is 2. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 4. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 to 3. 3 to 4. Come on. What's happening? These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3, 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there, double 2 there. No, 3, okay. No 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5 then. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes at there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright, finished in 13 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.